Fantastic human. Hello. You guys know I love a good study tool. Not just any tool though. The kind that actually changes the way you learn. The kind that saves you time, reduces stress, makes studying feel just a little less like a chore. If you share that excitement and passion, or if you've just been wanting a study tool that could handle everything, your notes, summaries, practice questions, flashcards, and even your exam prep, then you're going to love this mini series. Because over the next few videos, we're diving into Medley, a web-based study tool that promises to save you time by generating the material you'd normally create manually. The exact kind of app I wish I had when I was in med school. Medley isn't just another note-taking app. It isn't just an AI summarizer or a flashcard generator. It is an all-in-one platform that wants to take your entire study workflow, from the moment you upload your lecture slides to the moment you sit down to revise. Make it smoother, faster, and a lot less stressful. Honestly, that's a bold promise, especially for a tool that costs $25 a month or half that if you go for the annual plan. Medley is ambitious in a way that immediately caught our attention. And if you've ever spent hours jumping between different tools, copying and pasting content, or trying to organize your study material across multiple platforms, you'll understand why that ambition matters. I want to show you what Medley does well, where it struggles, whether it can genuinely support your learning without adding more chaos to your workflow. Hope you're excited to get into this. Medley, the study tool that wants to do it all.